over 4 times 4. So it's just 1, okay? Then because by 4 1 by 4 1. Then 4 divided by 1 is equals 4. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Therefore, in this expression, there is one division and one multiplication. Therefore, first we have to do this division, okay? Then next this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Therefore, we have to divide first this number, okay? Then according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Then we keep the first number and we change this division into multiplication and flip the second fraction, okay? Flip the second fraction and times 4. Then 4 times 4 is equals 16 times 4, okay? 16 times 4 means 4 times 6, which is 24. Write 4 and remainder 2. We have remainder 2. Then 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 2 is 64, okay? Therefore, this is the correct answer of this problem, okay? The final answer of this problem equals 64.